Hi guys, welcome to Encyclo. In this video, we are discussing the paper of Bharatiya Darshana. Before starting this, I want to share something. For your information, we are providing all type of answers in the PDF and the handwritten form. For this, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is 900-936-8238. Here, the question number that we are discussing here in the paper. So, in the paper, you can see there are total 6 questions. First 3 questions you need to write in the 40 to 60 words, and after the 3 questions 4 and 5 you need to write in the 100 to 150 words, and question number 6 you need to write in the 500 words. This is the project based question, and each and every question has the option. So if you want these question answers, you can contact us anytime so that we will provide all the answers on your WhatsApp. Thank you so much for watching. If you have other queries, you can contact us.